guys, welcome to my channel People Vlogs. So we came at Tada Falls. See, this is now we are doing trackings. This is the Tada Falls. Okay, the back side we are going inside. This is full of forest. What are you doing? Oh, see that small river. Now we are going to almost near to Tada Falls. See that beauty of place. Yeah. Like crystal clear, full water, huh? Crystal clear. ये है टाडा फॉल्स, हाँ? क्रिस्टल क्लियर बोलिए। This is the fun. If you are earning money but you are not coming, then you have to come to that such beautiful places. Okay, see, we came our full hospital group, all our brothers. Just looking amazing. It's a very beautiful, it's a very amazing experience. I can't express with my words. You have to come and you have to enjoy that scenic views. And this is the beauty of nature. Just amazing. I can't share you. Beauty, the nature beauty. See the back. That way we can walk till this one from directly coming from that hill. That if we are going another 500 meters or approx 750 meters, then we will get that Tada Falls, that actual falls. We will go and we will show you that what is that and why everyone creating that hype. And seriously, there something is there. That's why everyone coming. I am seriously feeling that experience. I can't express you through that video. You have to come. You have to personally visit that place. Then only you can understand that what is that. Now we are climbing towards the mountain. So we came Tada Falls. See, nicely enjoying, but it's difficult to climb. But if you have that, you wanted to collect that experiences, then definitely you have to come to such places. See that view backside. See, I am sharing with you each and everything with the Tada Falls. So we came little bit late, so that's why I can't show you that fully, but how much I can, I'll show you and I'll give my best. in this video. Please be in this video and see the back. I'm continuously climbing. See that it's almost going.
Will you post or not?
Definitely. See that view, just amazing. So now we have to go towards down again, then we'll get that waterfalls, which is more hyped and very famous place, Tada Waterfalls. This is the all the hills. I don't know actual names of these hills, but it's very beautiful and very nice. Something Ubbalu Marugu hills, this one. So I can't pronounce also properly, but it's such a beautiful place. See.
चलो ये इसका भी दुकान है वो फ्रूट का हमारा उनदे इन द बोर्ड में कैमरा அது
climb
நான் பார்த்தேன்
towards down.
அப்பா பார்த்து போடா ஏன்னா இது போட இடம் கிடைக்காது நான் வரும்போது அவன் அரிபாரி பண்ணுவாங்க பாரு போம் எத்தனை வரும்போது அங்க வாட்டர் ஃபால் இருந்தானே அங்க சவுண்ட் அவனே கேக்குது பாரு
So mostly that place only waterfalls. So we need to go now fully track. We need to track and we need to go this place. Kaushik!
Sriram! Sita ekkada?
Such a beautiful place. See everyone enjoying. See the beauty of Tada Falls. See backside of me. The Tada Falls is there. And how they are enjoying there. Currently here that side everyone taking bath, so it's inside that falls. Now we can't go because now something happened inside, so they are not allowing to go, so I can't shoot video also inside. But inside the falls are there, and here is go. See the place. I can't share you that experience, but it's a very beautiful place. I'll show you that where we'll take now bath. I'll show you 1 minute. This all I'm going now down this river only. This my all friends are there. So I can't show them because yeah okay, I'll go now. They are calling. I'll go and enjoy. Come on. Hey, 1 minute, I'll come. See, we came, so we opened our t-shirts and all. Okay.
தம்பி திரும்பி பேர் அவன் போயிட்டான். ஏய் come this side. Cover me also. Why you are closing your nose like that?
இனி வாட்டர் வேறு
நான் வேணா பார்க்குறேன்.
Our bathing and all everything done in falls. See, this is Kaushik brother. So our colleagues full enjoy. How is the Josh, man? How you enjoyed?
Nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very good. So now we are going. Our
Hostel.
time already finished. Now we are going to our almost going to jail like hostel. So we'll come now. Whole group.
Yes.
So how is the Josh? How you enjoyed? Next time again one more trip will.
Yes, yes.
Oh, definitely. So bye bye guys. Signing off from People Vlogs. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos, and if you really enjoyed that videos, please do like, share, and subscribe. And like that you show your love, then I'll make another. I'll do another trip and I'll make so many videos for you. And I'll capture nice moment and that amazing moments I'll share with you. Bye.